Romy from Fitness Room, and this is advanced level superset workout, no jumps, just challenging strength exercises. The new exercise is the first exercise in the workout. It looks like this: squat with straight back, grab dumbbell, do pistol, release dumbbell, and now with the full palm, not on fingers, on the floor, and handstand jump. Again, pistol, oops, and jump. Warm up, and we're gonna do it together. Let's start with pistol, left leg, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 9, and 10 on the chair. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stretch. And now, easy exercise, side raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Back raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Okay, now grab dumbbells straight back and squat. Left leg steps left. 1, straight back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Squat, straight back. Now hip raise on the chair. Left leg, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze at the top. 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rest. 7, 8, 9, 20. Rest. Just and left. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rest. Just 5, guys. Let's do that. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Okay, go up. Stretch a little bit. And now we have 10 supported single leg squats, slight support. Let's do them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the first set. Now we continue with upper body. 10 dive bombers. Let's do them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch. And now bicycle crunch. 10 doubles. 1, 2. Slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open chest, stretch ups, and now wrap up push-ups. 20. Go. Chest to floor if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need rest. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest. And go on. 8, 9, and last. And 20. Single leg, low high plank. Start with left leg and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last, and 10. Grab dumbbells, squat, straight back, always squat with straight back. Side raise, 10 reps. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, heavy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last. I can do it. And 10. Now, pull the rope. 10 doubles. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Dumbbells. Fly. Lower back on the floor, chin to chest, and go. 1, 2, lower back on the floor, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last rep, and 10. Okay, chest done. Now right leg and right side of the boot. Ready? Squat and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, 8, 9, last, 10, stretch, on the chair, you can do it without dumbbell, 10 reps, 1, 2, 3, 4, I need rest. 5, 6, 7, rest. This is challenging exercise, especially single leg. 8, 9, and 10. Stretch. Now active rest with easier exercise. Side raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Now back raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Shake. Now grab dumbbells, squat, straight back. Side lunge, step to the side, and go. Straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep raising the chair. Right leg. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Rest and stretch. And go on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Stretch. Let's do another 5 and rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can do 5. It really burns. 5, 6, 7, and rest. Just 3, guys. Let's do 3. 8, 9, and 30. Oh, I'm happy it finished. Now, single leg supported squat. Ready? And go. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. We've finished with lower body. Now we continue with back and bicep. Now, grab dumbbells, squat straight back. Left arm, supinate the grip, turn palm forward, and 20 reps. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Stretch. And the same with the other side. Squat straight back. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Stretch. And now pull over. Pull over back on the floor, chin to chest. 20. 1. Lower back on the floor. 2, 3, 4. Chin to chest. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. 1, 2, 3. Lower back on the floor. 4, 5, 6. Check lower back. 7, 8, 9, and 20. Good. And now alternating side and up raise from wide squat, very wide squat, so we can support straight back. So open legs very wide, squat. If your legs are not so wide open, you will have this. No, it's wrong. So open legs wide, you must support straight back. And let's do 20. 1, 2. Slowly control the movement. 3, 4, 5. Straight back. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Rest. And another 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last, and 20. Stretch back. Now, renegade rollers side. and 10. Another 10 with the same arm. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 left. Go on. 5, 6, 7. Just 3 left. Go on. 8, 9, and 20. Now, torso and leg raise from lower back. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Another 10. Let's do them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rest. Go on. 1, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Stretch. Now, last exercise, guys. Renegade row, the other arm. I'm sweating like crazy, dropping sweat. Okay, 20, let's do as many as we can before rest. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Let's do as many as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Go on. 5, 6, 7. I prefer to rest and do full range of motion reps, not partial reps. Last 3, 8, 9, and 20. So, it is almost 29-minute workout. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and I'm very thankful if you recommend my videos to your friends, if you share them. And quick reminder, I know it's boring, but people always ask me what exercise to do to burn abs, saddlebags, or whatever fat. Actually, you need to decrease the amount of food. When you decrease the amount of food, you lack energy. There's energy deficit, and your body starts to burn from fat. So you need to eat less energy than you need, so your body starts to burn fat. If you do up exercises, actually you work out up muscles, but you don't burn the fat here. It doesn't work this way. You can't spot fat. So decrease the amount of food and let your body to do the work. It will burn fat depending on your genetics, your hormones, your personality. So if you have some problem zones, accept them. Work out, eat good food. If you want to burn fat, decrease the amount of food, and that's it. That is all we can do for our health and for the way we look. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye, and subscribe so you don't miss any workout.